Hi everyone, I want to show you how to use the amazing resource of Scholastic Books Online. So here is a week 2 lesson format. You will come to where we have our reading phonics, and right here in the middle it has good to do, this is really good to do if you have access to digital means. You're going to click on Scholastic Books Online and you'll come to a screen like this. You now have what says week 1 and then week 2, so you'll just click on it. At this point, you can choose any of the topics that you have not done from week 1 or week 2. I'm not telling you what order they have to be. I am going to come to week 1 and go to the first one, which is spiders. And on here, you'll see they have it all nice and formatted. They have day 1 animal studies spiders. And we have Watch the Diary of a Spider, which is our fictional book. And we're going to compare it to A Spider Living Grows Up, which is our informational text. Then we also have videos that you can watch, and there's even an activity that you can do as well. The main part that I really want you to try and do is the 2 books right here. So we're going to start by clicking Take Me There. And here you'll see both stories. This one right here, you can click Watch this story, and it will read the story to you. So you'll see. So that gives you an idea there. Then once you're finished with that, you're going to come over here to this Start panel, and you've just watched the story. Now you're going to read the book. This first page, you're going to click Read Along, but it does not have, like, titles don't have a read along. And then you push the arrow to move, and it reads to you. Okay, you can even adjust the pace if you would like, of how it's read to you. Okay, so after you've read both books, there's this fun area over here that says Puzzlers. There's a word match game. There's fact or fiction, which is great to use, and then which came first. So you're putting the story in sequence. If you want to even learn more about spiders, this is a very safe way to explore the web and find out more. So here we are looking at spiders for kids, things like that. You can click on it and you'll see that it brings up lots of different ways that you can explore different websites that are safe to explore. And here's just another example. So it's going right to websites that are related. And then you can even look at Meet the Creators if you'd like to. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out of the book screen. And then you come back here and on Watch the Video when you click on that. So again, it's based on the topic. When you're done watching this video, so you'll just play, and it's just a short 4-minute video. Then you have keywords. Okay. There's even a quiz that you can take. So, and again, always look for these buttons that you can push if you're having a hard time reading it, or first if you can, and then if you're struggling, check that you read it correctly by listening to it. Okay, remember, we're always working to become better readers. And go ahead and close out of that. And just to show some of the other topics from last week, there's weather, there's sound and music, there's communities, bones, okay? So there's so much to do with each of these. And then click here for week 2, and you can see all of the topics. My challenge is for all of you to at least do one of these. Ideally, if you could do one every day, that would be amazing. And again, it counts towards your 20 minutes of reading. Again, reading more is better, but I know everybody's families and time look different. And then click on over to my Foursquare writing, and I'll show you how to use Foursquare writing with the spiders that we just showed you.